Hey guys, it's me Naisha and I'm back with another tutorial on how to make breast milk soap. I got this shea butter soap from Hobby Lobby for $10. I have 2 bags of breast milk. I saved one just in case my baby was sick, and then I saved the other one for her breast milk bath. You're going to need 2 measuring cups, one for the soap base and then the other one for the breast milk. I'm also going to add oatmeal inside of the breast milk soap bar. And then I also have the essential lavender oil, which is great, especially if you're going to use this soap for bedtime. And that's really all the ingredients that you need. And then you also need the soap mold. And I also got that from Hobby Lobby as well. So going right into it, I just cut up the soap base into 4 sections. I'm going to heat it up. I did it just for 30 seconds. You're going to add your breast milk into the measuring cup, and you can add them together. I just, thawed it out under lukewarm water. Once you do that, you're going to take your soap molds. I got a unicorn one from Hobby Lobby for $5. And I'm just going to take my oatmeal and I'm just going to put it on the bottom of the mold. After I put the oatmeal evenly, I'm going to then go ahead and take my soap base from the microwave. Once it's melted, it's going to be in a liquid form. And I'm just going to evenly distribute it throughout each mold. I'm not going to fill it up to the top, obviously, because I have to add the breast milk inside. And I want to make sure that I can put breast milk, then put more soap mold, then more breast milk, and then mix it in at the end. So again, I just put 3 tablespoons of breast milk just to make sure that I had enough to go throughout the entire base. And then I'm going to go and I'm going to add more soap base to it. And then once you add the soap base, you're just going to mix it up. Make sure that the oatmeal is evenly throughout the entire soap bar. I'm going to add more soap base because you want to make sure that you have more soap base than breast milk. If you have more breast milk than soap base, then it's not going to harden the way it should. So you want to make sure that you remember that as well. I'm just going to put a few drops of the essential lavender oil inside. You don't need too much. It is pretty strong. And then I'm just going to mix it with a regular straw. I'm going to make sure that the oatmeal is evenly throughout the entire mold, the entire soap mold. And I'm just going to sprinkle some more oatmeal on top. Not only does it make it look pretty, but you definitely want to make sure that you have enough, especially if you know, when you use a soap bar, it gets smaller, is depending on however many times you use it. So you want to make sure that you have enough oatmeal. I'm just going to top it off with more breast milk. I still have more, soap mold than the breast milk, so that's fine. And I'm just going to mix it. And this is the final result. I love it. It's cute, it's pretty, and it's going to do the job. If this video was helpful, just please like, subscribe, comment below, follow me, tell your friends and your family. And I can't wait to show you guys the next one.